How to fix some keys not working in laptop keyboard? First step, open device manager, click it, click keyboards, expand the keyboard, right click, click update drivers. Once the update complete, after one more time right click and click scan for hardware changes. Close it, then move on with next step. Click settings, click accessibility, scroll down, click keyboard. Make sure the sticky keys, filter keys and tackle keys, it should be in disable mode. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. Once disabling after, then scroll down, enable the on-screen keyboard. Once enabling after, you need to check all the keys, type one by one and check all the keys are working in on-screen keyboard. If all the keys are working in on-screen keyboard means you need to check whether the problem is in physical. So you need to check the hardware setup of keyboard. If there is any dust is accumulated under the keys, so if specific keys are not working means you need to check that specific keys under any dust particles are accumulated or not. So like this you need to verify using on-screen keyboard. After you need to check your hardware setup. Thank you.